Greetings everyone. In this video, we will be talking about Masters in Computer Science and Engineering, and we will be having discussion of the top affordable colleges in the US. So this is the list of the colleges that are there in US offering this course. So without any delay, let's talk about our first college, that is the California State University, Los Angeles campus. So let's see the rankings. California State University, Los Angeles was founded at Los Angeles State College in 1947 through an act of the California legislature. The university has over 245,000 alumni, including numerous distinguished people. Liana Wen. Now let's have a look at the curriculum. The program is designed to prepare students for doctoral research, college teaching, public school teaching, or for careers in computer science. It provides with the two options for the students to complete the program. First is the thesis project option, that is 30 units, and the second is the comprehensive exam option, 33 units. Graduates of the program will be able to design, analyze, and assess advanced software architectures and manage the challenges inherent in the development of complex software systems. Now let's have a look at the application procedure. So let's see the steps very nicely. Step 1 is the additional documents. Official copies of all post-secondary records, including certificates, degrees, or diplomas in original language of the issue, with a foreign record evaluation report by IERF or WES. Step 2, you need to start your online application. Application for the fees is USD 70 or 5.29 thousand rupees in Indian rupee. Let us see the requirements. Bachelor's, applicants must possess a bachelor's degree in computer science or a related field with a GPA of 3.0 or better. Now let's have a look at the exam scores. TOEFL 80, IELTS 6 and PT 53. Now let's have a look at the scholarship aids provided to us by the college. So we have the CCSE Graduate Scholarship. Now let's see about the scholarship. Scholarships are administered by the Center for Cyber Safety and Education. The scholarship is applicable to the following field of study: cybersecurity, information assurance, must have achieved or maintained GPA of at least 3.5 on a 4.0 scale. Maximum scholarship per student is 5,000 USD or rupees 3,77,650 rupees. Application, it opens or starts in December and they close or end by February. Before moving to the placement opportunities, talking more about the scholarship, let's see the application process for the scholarship. So essay question to be filled out in application. Tell us why you should be chosen to receive the ISC Cybersecurity Scholarship and what makes you stand out from your peers. Describe, you need to describe why you need the scholarship, your personal educational backgrounds, why you choose your major and your goals for your academic career. Then you need to submit the LORs. Okay, then how long have you known the applicant and what capacity, what skills or abilities does the applicant have that will support him or her in completing with the degree? What is the other information about the applicant should be taken into consideration? Academic references are preferred. However, you may submit a professional letter of reference addressing the points above. Then we need the resume, CV, and the unofficial transcripts from your current educational institutions. So now let's have a look at the application. Let's have a look at the placement opportunities. So now the students, they get placed as software development engineer, that is SDE, computer scientist, security engineer, software developer, mobile application developer. Then we have the Android software developer engineer, senior software web developer, Unix system administrator. Let's move ahead to our next college. We have the Purdue University. So let's see the rankings of this college. Purdue University, founded in the year 1869, is a public research institution with its flagship campus located in West Lafayette. Purdue has one of the most impressive alumni networks in the world with more than 450,000 alumni around the globe. Now, the duration of this course is 1.5 to 2 years. The course fee is 25 to 26 lakhs and the application deadline is fall, May, spring semester, October. Now let's see the curriculum for this course. This program is available with thesis and non-thesis options. Students will study courses like operating systems, distributed systems, numerical analysis, parallel computing, and information security program. It is available with the following concentration: computational life sciences, computational science and engineering, information security for computing professionals, and statistics and computer science. Now let's have a look at the application steps for this college. So steps: make sure you meet our admission requirements, prepare your documents, see a supplementary form in the PDF form, SOP, letters of recommendation, transcripts, English scores if they are applicable, electronic graduate school application. Then you need to pay the fee and you need to submit the application. Now let's see the requirements. Bachelor's 3.5 GPA. Applicant must hold a 4-year bachelor's or equivalent degree with a GPA of 3.5. Most applicants, they have a degree in computer science. However, the department also consider applicants from other fields with suitable backgrounds. Now, who all are there from different background, they have complete the deficiency courses of OOPS, systems programming, data structure and algo. Other good preparatory materials includes computer architecture, analysis of algorithms, probability and linear algebra. Now let's see the exam requirements. TOEFL 100 with no subscale lower than 22. IELTS 7.5 with no single band score level than 7.8 and PT 65. Now let's have a look at the scholarships. So we have the Global Study Awards. The Global Study Award goal is to encourage young people to study abroad, explore new countries, cultures and languages. So interview, strong candidates will be shortlisted and invited for an in-person interview prior to the final winning selection. Scholarship per student, £10,000 or rupees 9,36,800. This scholarship needs a separate external application and the application deadline for the same being June. Now let's have a look at the placement opportunities for the same. So the average salary provided to us is $41,039. You can apply at the jobs at Bessel, IT officer at banks or the CDSE.